and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint this beautiful Madhubani composition on a cake server. I have already drawn the picture and I have transferred it with this pencil carbon on the pre-primed cake server. I had primed it with white acrylic color and now it's time to use my highly diluted black acrylic color as an ink to outline this picture. Here I am using my fine detailing brush and with that I am outlining this whole picture with black. This highly diluted acrylic color works just like ink, and I always outline my Madhubani or Gond artworks with this liquid acrylic color mixed with water. So here we go. Makar Sankranti or Indian Kite Festival is just around the corner, but due to the pandemic, most of us won't be celebrating it as we used to celebrate it before the pandemic. So I decided to paint this beautiful picture and decorate my house with some kite vibes. That's how I'm going to celebrate it. Let me know in the comments how are you going to celebrate your Makar Sankranti. And by the way, if you are joining me in painting this beautiful composition, please do share it with me on social media. You can share it on Instagram with me. I will leave the link in the description. So here I am outlining this composition with a single line right now, and later I will be double lining it as well. The weather is getting too chilly and every now and then everybody is just falling ill, so I request you to take care of yourself and stay healthy and safe as much as you can. Just stay out indoors not outdoors, and go out only when it's very necessary. Otherwise don't go out, just stay home and enjoy things you like to do, like painting or cooking or gardening or whatever you like. Or if there's nothing to do, just sleep sleep and rejuvenate. Alright, so we are almost done with the outlining part, and once this is done we will be giving the picture double outline that is characteristic of Madhubani art. So here are some kites and a cute couple flying the kite. So now I took a time lapse and did the double outlining. I'm sure you won't be able to do that fast. So if you want to catch up, just pause the video and do your double outline. And now, as you see, I have started with the sky with the sky blue color. It's a pre-mixed sky color from Fevicryl. All the colors, acrylic colors here I am using are from Fevicryl, and this is not a paid partnership with Fevicryl. I generally like to use Fevicryl colors when it comes to acrylic. So those are my go-to colors. There are a number of shades, so many options, and they are very pocket friendly. And the best thing is for Madhubani and such folk art paintings that these colors are fluid, so they are very easy to fill in, whereas the tube colors, which are not very fluid, I find it difficult to paint with them when it comes to these paintings. When I am doing any abstract or knife painting, that time the tube colors are the best, but for such color filling artworks, I find Fevicryl colors the best. They are very vibrant and good quality colors in pocket friendly price. So here I have started painting the middle part of the painting, which is yellow, which represents the sunny day. And now it's time for the grass or the ground below. Sorry for the noise, my kids are at home and they are shouting and screaming as they play. It's the worst time for children, it's been 2 years, more than 2 years, that they are just locked up in the house and they just can't do anything. So I really feel bad for all the children who are just stuck at home like this. I mean, we can understand, but what to tell them? We can't make them panic, and we can't make them understand why can't they go out. I have sped up this video like 4 times. So it's not a step by step, it's just a video to my process video, how I created this beautiful artwork, and it's just to give you an idea. Here now I'm using Fevicryl neon colors. So this artwork is going to be very, very colorful. Generally I don't use so many colors, but I just wanted to use so many colors this time. And I have got a stack of cake servers lying in my house because I don't throw them. I just wash them, dry them and collect them, that one day I will paint a picture on them, and that never happens because I generally don't get time. Like, so many other projects are also lined up, so I just don't find time to use these cake servers or any such thing like best out of waste projects. I don't find time for them, but I really don't throw anything. So I always think, no, I will use it, and I just keep stacking and hoarding all the waste products thinking that one day I will use them. So this time I was going to keep this cake server also, as it was washed up and dried, and I was going to keep it when I thought, no, I better paint this only. Does this happen with you also? Like, you keep collecting all the waste material thinking that one day you will use it, but you never end up using it? Let me know what are the things you like to collect. Is it toilet paper roll or gift wraps? What is it? Let me know. Alright, so here this is my original composition, and I know the proportions are very off, but that's the beauty of folk art, isn't it? The proportions in folk art are never realistic and never too perfect, because if they are perfect, then it's not folk art, it's like realistic art, right? As much as I think that's the beauty of folk art. Like, they are a little wonky and still they look so good. So I was really confused about the pants of the guy in the picture. Alright, so first I made it grey, and then I thought, no, it doesn't look nice. So I tried to make it checkered. You'll see further in the process. So here's the first version, that is grey. And now I thought it was too dark, so I added some more white in it. But then again, I was not happy with the color. I left it like that. And there. Let's do some double lining by the time the pants dry. And you'll see, I will make like many versions of the pants before settling down for something. So here, with the same highly diluted black acrylic color, I am coloring the hair, and you can see it's very, very dark. It's not light at all. Just the consistency of this color has become very liquid, and that's how it is very easy to use as ink. Like that. The accessories, I have left the eyes for the last, because in folk arts they say when you paint the eyes, it is supposed to be like the painting has become alive. So eyes are symbolic to life, so we are supposed to paint the eyes of the animals or human figures at the very end. So that's what I'm trying to do. Here I am going with the pre-mixed skin tone by Fevicryl. And for the guy, I'll be adding a little bit of sky blue in it to mute it, because it looks too vibrant to me. And for the girl, I will let it be the way it is. I am carefully leaving the eye part white because I don't want the skin tone to enter there. Though it's acrylic, even if the color goes there, I can again make it white. That's not a problem, but I just want to leave it white as it is. So here, as you see, I have tried to tone down the skin color of the guy a bit, whereas the girl's color is as vibrant as it was from the bottle. And here, wherever the colors have gone over the outlining, I'm just touching up the outline like so. And we are almost done. I'm not going to fill the backdrop completely like Madhubani. I'm going to give it a twist, a western twist, modern twist. So I will fill the backdrop. I will not leave it empty, but I will not fill it with the Madhubani motifs. I'm going to give it a twist. So like that. Here, now see, I start working on the pants. So here I first thought I'll make them stripes, but then I realized, oh, the shirts are kind of stripes, so I made them checkered, but now I don't like it. So now I'll add some white to it. But first, let's design the outfit of the girl like so. Adding some yellow like that, making it a lahariya chunri. These are all neon colors, 4 neon colors by Fevicryl. They're very vibrant and bright. Here's a little Madhubani touch, the Kachni style on the dupatta. I am mostly keeping it simple and not very complicated because I don't want it to become too busy that the love and the chemistry goes missing, right? And here I start working on the pants again. I swear, had it not been acrylic, I would have ruined this painting. So because it's acrylic, I could do so much. I could work on it. See that? But still, it doesn't look like pants to me. This look like a lungi or a towel or even a skirt, but not pants. And for the longest time, I did not know what to do with them, how to rectify them. And because I did not copy it from any reference picture, so in my head, I was not able to solve it for the longest time. I literally let it be as it is for the night, as I was painting in the night after my kids had slept. So, and of course, I'm doing this voiceover. How else will I talk at this pace when I already told you that the video is sped up like 4 times? So yeah, so I was painting in the night when my kids were sleeping and I literally had no clue how to rectify the pants. I was happy with the picture, I was happy with everything. Only the thing I was not happy with was the guy's outfit. I also didn't like the cloud, but that still was okay. So here I am trying to paint the air, the wind basically. I am trying to paint the wind. So there, though it's invisible, I am trying to make it visible with the help of some orange markings on top of the yellow. Can you see that? I don't think you can see that because it's not showing on the camera. It's there. Trying to make some Van Gogh markings here and there, and now white marks on the sky, so it's not completely blank. But I did not want to make the typical Madhubani motif. Also, I wanted it to be a fusion of Madhubani and Western modern art. So that's what I tried to do. There's a blushy and the lipstick. Yes. And the bindi. And now finally we come to the eyes. So you see, I have still not worked on the pants. I've left them like that, but I will work on it in the morning. And that's the final thing that you see on the cover. And I did not record it because I was not sure how it's going to look, because I was painting on top of these checkers. So I was not sure about the results, and that is the reason why I did not shoot it when I repainted it. So I can only show you the final output. Here I'm using the jelly roll pen to give some markings on the hair, like that. I've already given the markings on the girl's hair. Now let's sign the artwork. Okay, so this is it. That's the final artwork, and see, there are the new pants. So as you know, I painted them in the morning and I did not record it, but there they are. And now I like the painting completely. Let me know in the comments how did you like my composition and the process video. And if you are still here, I am so grateful for you to watch it till here. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. Wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti.